Alright, I'm out here with the Ingersoll case 448 hydriv. I got the deck there, completely rebuilt. I got a new belt right there. And I got our victim here of what we're going to be installing it on. And I think I probably... Actually, I know I did. In the video where I took it off, I showed taking it off and how to get the pins and everything. So I'm not going to show the process. I'm just going to show when it's on, and then we'll go from there. And that is one of the simplest decks to install in the industry. What I did is I attached the links that go up and down first. Then I used the hydraulic to lift it up, and the front pivots went in, just pulled it right up into position like it was made for it. Wow. And then put in the released the two locking pins so they can snap. And the belt was not very difficult either, so love it. Now, let's try it out. I got the throttle dead slow, so let's see what happens. Actually, I'm going to hop on just for safety. Good. Okay, just ran that for a few minutes there. Everything sounds good. The belts are tracking good. It's always a good idea to go back over it after you've, basically had all the spindles and all the blades off and everything. To just, listen to it, let it run for a few minutes, make sure you did everything right, and nothing's going bad on you. So that's about it for the blade and deck installation with the rebuilt deck. The other things I want to do, I think I mentioned it before, I'm going to try to get at the ammeter, which has got a cracked housing, and this one stays outside. Right now it's dry in there, but it's been bad before. Actually, it's showing a little discharge, so you can tell the thing isn't working perfectly. Problem is, I think this, you got to take apart half the world. You can't get at the back of it, and that was not made to be easily replaceable. You got to take this tank out, maybe this, I don't know. I'm gonna have to just start taking stuff apart. It does have an access panel here. I don't know if you can sneak up in there. I have never had that off. Also, just for questions, if anybody has any on the belt routing guide, I'm going to take a picture of this and put it in next. Just in case anybody can't read that, detention. Wind key counterclockwise until gap between spring coils is equivalent to spring wire diameter. And then you just adjust it from there and there. Decreased tension is clockwise, increased tension is counterclockwise. I think on the next video I'm going to address this. It had an original wire clip here, which made me think it always went there. But that burned up, and then I replaced it with some high heat wrap. But the problem is you couldn't put the high heat wrap in the clip, and that, anyway, it goes up to the headlights. But what I'm noticing on other tractors is they don't bring it up by the muffler here. They wouldn't even bring it here. They would probably route it where it comes from, which is, we can see those wires going, the ones I'm wiggling there, not the spark wire, the big one. I think it's actually supposed to come out of here, go down, and the only way it would make sense with the hinge is if it went right through the bottom and up. So that's what I'm going to do. That'll be in the next video.